morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, September 29th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Ian, today is your special day. It's your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 58 degrees.
It's getting colder.
It's full, man.
Today's lunch options are cheese enchilada casserole, chicken Caesar salad, and popcorn chicken and roll.
All good choices.
Weird but true. You can buy a Rubik's Cube-shaped house. What?
What?
Wow.
Today in history, in 1996, a Super Mario 64, a well-known Nintendo 64 video game, is released in the U.S.
Woo! So cute I can't. Although Aries, the 2-year-old cat, was born with hyperextended back legs, there's not much that slows him down, says owner Tracy
Statisky, who launched Aries the Cat Ambassador, where the little cat's disability helps raise awareness for special needs animals everywhere.
Bet you didn't know some cars run on French fry oil. What?
That makes sense.
Now here's Everett and Zeke for the joke of the day.
Hey Zeke, did you know I'm friends with 25 letters of the alphabet?
Really? Only 25?
Yeah, I don't know why.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Do
Your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Ian.
And I'm Aaliyah.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time.
Fly high, Falcons.